So in June, I read a grand total of 3 books. Only 3, I know, I'm very disappointed. I read Transcendent Kingdom by Gyasi, which I already talked about in a previous video, which I will link in the cards and description right now. And I also read How It All Blew Up by Arvin Ahmad, as well as The Girl with the Louding Voice by daré. And The Girl with the Louding Voice actually became my book of the month because it was just so good. I fell so in love with the main character, Aduni, I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, but it was just such a good book. I definitely recommend it. They were all 5-star books, but The Girl with the Louding Voice was definitely the best. I don't think I've ever had a month where I've read such good books together, so yeah, June was a good reading month for me. So if you're not familiar with the way I set up my reading journal, I'm going to link a video in the cards and description which explains this, but today I'm not going to be talking about that. I'm going to be talking about the books that I plan to read in July. If you are interested in reading any of the books I mentioned in this video, I will link the Goodreads description to each of them in the description below. First up, I'm going to be rereading The Perks of Being a Wallflower, which is a coming-of-age story told through letters that a boy named Charlie writes to an unnamed friend, I think around every day. And I just love the writing style of this book so much, and I miss it, so I'm going to read it again. The next book I plan to read is The Dictionary of Lost Words, which I don't know very much about. I just saw it in a bookstore, and it seemed really nice, so I got the ebook, so I'm excited to read that too. The next 4 books I plan to read were all recommended to me by friends, and those are Thursday Murder Club, which is about a club of people who gather to solve unsolved murder cases, but one day they get a case that is ongoing and they would like to solve it. And Guest List by Lucy Foley, which is about people who are invited to this wedding, but there are some strange things going on. As well as Mosquitoland and Kids of Appetite, both by David Arnold, which I don't know very much about, but they are both contemporary novels, and I read the description on Goodreads and they seemed really interesting, so I'd love to read those. Continuing with the mystery trend, we have And Then There Were None by Agatha Christie, which is about people who go on this island and one by one they start getting murdered, as well as Pretty Little Liars by Sara Shepard, which is about a group of friends, and there's also some mysterious stuff going on, but I forgot the description since I read it so long ago. I also have some fantasy books that I'd love to read, which include Call Down the Hawk by Maggie Stiefvater, which is I think like an extended series off of the Raven Boys. I just know it follows one of the characters in the Raven Boys, and it seemed interesting to me. As well as Legendborn by Tracy Deonn, which I've just heard it recommended on BookTube so much, I just decided to read it. In Deeper Waters by F.T Lukens, which is, I don't know very much about it either, I just saw it on Goodreads too. And Six of Crows by Leigh Bardugo. This book needs no explanation. It is a fantasy heist. It's just been hyped everywhere, been hyped to death, so I'm just gonna decide to read it now. So that's it for my TBR. I'm also going to include some honorable mentions from my interest list, which are Howl's Moving Castle by Wynn Jones, which is just a very comforting, warm, cozy fantasy novel, which I'm reading because of a book club that I joined, so yeah. As well as Atomic Habits by James Clear, which I've been meaning to get to because I've just seen it everywhere. People keep recommending it, and I'd love to make some habits and keep them. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found some new books that you're going to read. If you did, please give this video a like and comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. I will link some more resources to find books in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And thanks for watching.